Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Google Ads to your Wix website. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to track your ad performance and conversions directly from your Wix site, giving you valuable insights into how your advertising efforts are paying off. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu and locate the Tools option. Click on it to access the various management features available within Google Ads. This is where you'll find all the essential tools for connecting external platforms and managing your advertising data. Once you click on Tools, the menu will expand to show you several options. From this expanded menu, locate and click on Data Manager. The Data Manager is your central hub for connecting third-party applications and managing how data flows between Google Ads and other platforms you use. It's an essential feature for anyone looking to integrate their website or e-commerce platform with their advertising campaigns. Now you'll see a list of all the apps and third-party software you've already connected under your Google Ads account. Scroll down through this list and look for the Wix integration. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. Simply click on the Search All link. This will open a Connect product window where you can search for any platform you want to integrate. In the search bar that appears, type in Wix and then click on Wix from the search results. This will take you to the Wix integration setup page. On the Wix integration page, click on the Authorize button. This step is crucial because it grants Google Ads permission to access and use data from your Wix website. After clicking Authorize, you'll be prompted to choose how you plan to use your data. You'll see options like conversions or audiences. Select the one that best fits your needs by clicking on the corresponding radio button. This helps Google Ads understand what type of data you want to track and optimize for. Once you've made your selection, a customer data section will appear below. Here you'll see a checkbox regarding consent for the data collected. This is an important legal step to ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. Simply click on the checkbox to acknowledge and consent to the data collection terms. After you've done that, click on Continue to finalize the setup. At this point, Google Ads will process your authorization and begin syncing data from your Wix website. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Ads to your Wix website, which means you can now track conversions, analyze audience behavior, and optimize your ad campaigns based on real data from your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.